Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a window regulator. First, gather your tools, including screwdrivers, a socket set, and a trim removal tool. Safety is key, so disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin. Then, carefully remove the inner door panel, usually by prying off trim pieces and unscrewing fasteners. This gives you access to the window assembly. Once the door panel is off, you'll see the window regulator. Carefully detach the window glass from the regulator's clips or bolts, securing the glass in the up position with tape. Next, unplug the electrical connector from the window motor. Finally, unscrew all the bolts that secure the old regulator assembly to the door frame and carefully remove it. Now, take your new window regulator and carefully position it inside the door, aligning it with the mounting holes. Secure it firmly with the bolts you removed earlier. Once the regulator is in place, carefully reattach the window glass to the new regulator's clips or bolts. Ensure the glass moves freely before proceeding. With the new regulator installed, reconnect the electrical connector to the window motor. Then, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before putting everything back together, test the window's up and down function to ensure it operates smoothly. If all looks good, reattach the door panel, making sure all clips and screws are secure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.